Hello guys, welcome to next video of this playlist Python for beginners. In last video we have started understanding the concept of encapsulation. So let's continue the exploration of encapsulation in this video. For that let's move to our destination folder. So this is our destination folder as you can see. Now let's open this folder in VS Code. So as you can see the folder has opened in VS Code. Now let's open today's file which is episode 38. And the title is Encapsulation Part 2. In this video, I will provide you the most important message that every Python developer must know before implementing the OPS concept. The message is that nothing in Python is truly private. I am saying this statement because that in other languages like Java and C++, if we declare a variable private, then we cannot access that variable at all. But we can access this variable or private variable in Python. I will explain you how. And also at the end of this video I will tell you that why Python has provided this simplicity or permission to access private variables. For that let's understand today's code. Actually I have kept the code same as of two previous videos so that the concept will get more clear to you. So let's take a recap of this code. So class ATM, this is a constructor, this is the add details method, and this is the display details method. I have made no changes in this method. Also, I have simply updated an underscore pin underscore balance, which I have done in previous video only. Then I have created two user or objects, add details to it and fetching the details. And this was the trap one that we saw in last video. Now I will explain you how private variable gets stored in Python compiler or Python's memory. So in Python, it will simply get stored in following format, which is underscore variable name, underscore class name, underscore variable name. So let's take an example. So in next line I have simply written underscore pin. So this is our variable, which is this variable, and it gets stored in this format, which is underscore class name. So class name is ATM and double underscore variable name. So in this way the variable will get stored. Now let's check that can we access the variable or not. So I will simply comment this part. And in last video I have told that we can do such type of thing. So I will simply type a dot, and in the last part of previous video I already told that I will explain these two concepts. So even if I simply click on this underscore pin and simply write here, let's say pin is let's say 4 5 6 7 8. So this is a pin I want to modify. But do you think this pin will get modified? Let's check it. So I will simply run the code to show you the output. So this is a initial declaration or initial output, two times calling a constructor. Then initially ABC pin is 1234 and balance is 4500. XYZ pin is 4321 and balance is 2500. And in trap 2 the answer is ABC pin is 1234, which means it is similar to the previous and it has not updated the pin to this. As you can see, the reason behind this is that the Python will create another variable in the memory which will be as underscore pin and not update the current variable pin. This code will not damage your previous code or previous personal data. But if a malicious user wants to access and wants to change the code and the code is written in Python OOP, then he can simply use another concept, which is this. As I told that the variable gets stored name in this form, which is underscore class name underscore variable name. So if user try to change this, then it will definitely get changed. I will show you right now by running the code. So let's clear this and run once again. So this is the common code, and as you can see in trap 2 ABC pin has been successfully changed, which means that if a malicious user or a code developer wants to access your private variable and try to change it, he can easily do that in Python language using this, which is user1 dot. He will get the details of the private variables from here and he can simply update the variables and change the value present in them. So this is the biggest drawback of Python, and due to this Python falls low or down in front of other languages such as Java or C++. After learning this concept, I got very upset and I was thinking that why Python developers has done it and why they have not preserved the privacy of private variables. So I started hunting reason for it, and after few videos and blogs, I found a perfect answer on Stack Overflow. After reading the answer, I smiled and I was feeling proud that I am using Python language. The answer was that Python is an adult language, which means only a responsible person can use this language. And also, if a malicious user or your code developers try to access your private variable, which simply means that they want to pull you back, and it's not problem of Python language, it's the problem between you and your code developer. And also, you might be feeling proud that you are using a responsible programming language. So that's all for today's video. If you like this video, then don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Also, if you face any queries in the code of today's video or have not understood the concept of this Python's privacy, you can simply message me on Instagram or in comment section below. Also, the source code of today's video is available in video description. You can definitely check out that. Here comes the end of this video. Thanks for watching this video.